Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you install the Facebook app on an iPhone. So let's get started. Go to home screen of your iPhone and tap on App Store icon on your iPhone's home screen. Now in App Store, tap the search tab located on the top of the screen and now type Facebook and tap on search. Now find the Facebook app. Here is it. Tap on it. Tap on the get button next to the Facebook app icon. In my case, I've already downloaded this application before, so I am getting only download button. If you are downloading Facebook for the first time, you might get the get button next to the Facebook app icon. Tap on it and you will be promoted to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID, Touch ID to authenticate the download. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After that, your downloading will be started. Let the download complete. After the installation is complete, the Facebook app will appear on your home screen. Tap the Facebook icon to open it. Now you can start using the Facebook. You can log in or sign up for a new account. So this is how you can install the Facebook.